Accra.
Yeah. I mean, Yvonne Nelson, I mean, there was a whole meeting to actually.
Okay.
I didn't know at the time you saw.
I was about writing the minutes though.
Exactly.
Until more blacklisted Yvonne. Oh, more blacklisted Yvonne.
Yvonne then was a different issue. Yvonne then, but it's similar.
Yeah.
But different. Yvonne then had to do with several complaints of how she behaves on set and a couple of other issues.
How she behaves on set,
no, like she makes it too difficult for you to progress. I mean, to put it to in a summation. So that meeting, we say Kumasi Golden hotel. We know I'm a Kuran about Golden Gate. I think it's Golden Gate Hotel. That's where we had that meeting. Say, I mean, there have been several complaints from producers. Say, Yvonne, only Juma or Maobre, she doesn't come on the set on time. She leaves anytime she comes. A whole lot. I can't remember all the complaints, but I still have it in my file anyway. It's, we all decided and thought about it, different opinions, and we thought, okay, look, ABR, your money chain kakra.
I don't know. See, I said, oh, who be sir? Yeah, money check across the same.
But that was what we were saying.
Money trains the same.
If you money, you need to check across. But how no? Okay, a blacklist. I want them no bad. It's the press that came out was banning for 1 year.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that. Like he said, I mean, if producers now mo do year jumano, or mo na employ wo, and or mo say uma mo juma ye ding. Na so mo nyina etia na ya vote na say ye yini sin chen. I mean there's nothing wrong with that. A cosmic deal was because now affronted for Nigerians to shoot in Ghana. Near say I say yeah man Nigeria for me fair market it's no the information was almost inside say o matis hard no much dey yi ano the nim so ano dia ni one na alata for ne dia
ano and
me bajo me baba ni na me bawo
me bajo and yes or no am dey na example
no I'm bisan bibi ba
okay yeah no mo akase o a cosmic dia it is several complaints came. And we investigated and realized that, oh yeah, so that's what he's doing. It's okay. You need to change because so we are. That's it.
Danana jacket ha. Obisa assembly. Mami bisa and or say, "Muye ni nyina na ekosi sen."
Ye ni nyina na ekosi sen. Ye ni nyina ma producers any industry at that time ejina any ekosi.
No.
Into movie industry.
No. And ma team. Ye ni nyina ma producers ni industry at that time no ejina. Yes. And obianso ntimi nyina be bia ga say so boni bia ba
bajo
wait
I'm you are no
bajo unse me kasa earlier no I made an example say obi na afa wodwuma nti your person opamowa eso no kasa you na ano no say enye sanity unse if we can all sit here ebia me ba show ni so say na me kasa no mumpe wow Mama babe basho no say mu be frame me say killer brasho ni so nti mo adane say bluma ko a no my frame aba Father Dixon office now even say mu frame me betina ho a you should not be saying say boo fiti na ko basho ni so bi the say mo ni me kan say boo
enye say bi
kasa mu bi we nti ye paucho Sheni na. Oh, asema mu kan na about Yvonne Nelson mu ni ade no. Mutinasi a, mutumi for Yvonne Nelson chance oh. Yanya complaints aha. A day na wo ho a wo beka wo asem. No wo beka say oh. We na here because no matter the attitude obi be put in ono so wo ono ani the
reason.
All the yes.
Na so makasa no wenzie.
Okay, mpacho I'm asking a question.
Who be that question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If you meet together as a group, you should be calling the person to. Because when I'm saying more gate, you see, let me show you. And then nothing and then want to me trusting you. You can never shoot a movie.
Don't use never.
Okay.
Don't use never.
I bet check.
Because next week I'm going.
Okay, I bet check.
I'm going to shoot.
I bet
don't use never.
Who said? Martin said, oh, but who said Yvonne Nelson I bet do him?
But me actor.
No, they do a producer. Also a producer. Okay.
She didn't used to be a producer. I'm telling you something. Look, you see, hey, don't do that.